Want a professional online presence without spending a dime on a domain? Hey there, Wix users. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a completely free domain for your Wix website. It's simpler than you think. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Wix account. You'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. Now, locate the website you want to connect to your free domain. If you only have one site, that's great. Next to the website's name, you'll see 3 dots. This is the options menu. Click on those 3 little dots. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Site. This takes you to the site settings. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu with various options related to your site settings. Look for the option labeled Domain and click on it. You'll now be on the Connect Domain page. Here, you'll see 2 choices. Connect your own domain and get a free Wix domain. We want the second option. Click on Get a Free Wix Domain. A text box will appear where you can type in your desired subdomain. This will be the part of your website address before double quotes .wixsite.com. For example, if you type My Awesome Bakery, your domain will be myawesomebakery.wixsite.com. Choose something memorable and relevant to your business or website topic. Wix will check if the subdomain you've entered is available. If it is, you'll see a check mark. If not, try a different variation until you find one that works. Once you've found an available subdomain, click the Connect button. Congratulations, your free Wix domain is now connected to your website. You'll see a confirmation message, and your new Wix website address will be displayed. You can click the View Site button to see your website live with its new domain. That's all there is to it. You've successfully claimed your free Wix domain. Keep in mind that this domain will include wixsite.com, and if you want a custom domain like myawesomebakery.com, you will need to upgrade to a premium plan. Enjoy your new online presence.